Hey everybody, this is Brett and I'm with Emma, and Emma's gonna crack her back, right?
Definitely, and I need it. I've done a lot of like work this week, a lot of different dance and stuff, and like I could really use a nice like lengthening
you're a
cracking
dancer
for my body. Yeah, I'm a dancer and a model. So you can find me at Emma Dubin Model on Instagram, and I like to share my art through photos or through movement a lot, you know?
She's really cute, that's why I picked her for the video.
And also he knew subconsciously that I needed to crack my back.
That's
so
it, that's it.
Real, yeah.
Okay, so
okay.
I showed her how to do it, so she's gonna do it here for the first time.
Thank you. Fun contraption. And I just place it, start at the bottom of my spine, you think?
No, start in the middle.
Start in the middle.
Right there.
Okay.
These are mostly for middle and upper back, and they're really great for posture.
There you go. Oh yeah.
Because people get all slumped over, you know?
Well, it's just part of life. Life is heavy. That's fun.
Did you crack?
Yes. Definitely.
You're very flexible. Most people can't clasp their hands behind their heads in the beginning.
I like how it like kind of lets my spine have its space, but also gives it the pressure that it needs to lengthen.
Right. And if you learn self-massage and also you massage your chest muscles, that really helps the chest and back to open up too.
Yeah, no, this thing's great, man.
Please give a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more of these videos, please subscribe.
Sweet. I feel more lengthened in my spine. We'll have better posture today for sure. Thank you.
Cool, you're welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
It is so healthy to crack and massage your back every single day, like I've been doing for over 15 years. And if you get your shoulders back, it really helps with your posture. And also, a lot of people get this dowager's hump on the back of their neck, and that's from a forward head posture. I'm a massage therapist, and I've worked on a lot of people that have this problem. And my rollers really help you to reverse that syndrome, and they come in all different sizes. Additionally, these are the only width adjustable rollers. Okay, so you just unscrew the wing nut, you open it up, and then you turn the inner nut either in or out. If you want it wider, you turn it out. If you want it to go all the way in, you can do that too, and then you just tighten it back up. These rollers are made out of solid hardwoods, not laminates. And you're ready to go. And so my rollers are all natural. So all the other rollers are made out of plastic, but if you understand the value of natural things and the durability, then you'll try one of my amazing spine rollers. Look at that, it's cherry. The rubber on these rollers is all natural latex, not a petroleum rubber. This is so much better than plastic rollers because it cushions your spine naturally. Look at that, beautiful maple. That's also maple, and that's maple. But see, this is a small size. The small size is super aggressive for people that want to really rub their backs harder. You can find my rollers at brettsnaturalhealth.com. Links in description box below. This is the medium size, and this is the tall. They also come in different widths for different width backs. So this would be like for a tall, skinny person. This would be for a medium, kind of thick guy, about 200 pounds. And this would be for somebody that's kind of about like my height, my size, 160 pounds. So you can find these at brettsnaturalhealth.com. Links in description box below if you want the best roller in the world.